Hello everyone, it's Kate. Welcome to this tutorial of the cherries. These will have multiple uses. Today's tutorial is going to be about the Halloween version. I do have another version that you can use for like Valentine's or like summer or anything like that. So anyway, this is the large cherry, obviously. Inside is the back. The outside is the front. Pipe cleaners go only in the front. So inside, out, blah, blah, blah. Patterns you're going to do front is add 1.25 inches. The back you're going to add 1 inch. Then they gave you two different ones just because these are the ones that I had made previously, so I just gave them to you. You're going to have the cherry number 1, which is the smaller cherries, and then cherry number 2. They're just slightly different. The pipe cleaners are different spaces as well. For here. So for these ones, I did the dotted line was the back foam core and the solid line was the front. Again, you're going to add 1.25 inches for the front and 1 inch for the back. So it would look like this, just so you could see it. So yeah, those are your patterns. I already have mine. This is a photocopied one because I always do this myself. I make one, cut it for the back. I don't know why I do it. That's just, I don't do it that way. I'm trying, but we're gonna go through it.